a company soaring globally. With innovative peptide manufacturing technology, we specialize in the development and production of biocompatible core peptide materials. We are WELLPEP, a new paradigm for health and beauty. WELLPEP Company. Since its establishment in 2018, WELLPEP has excelled in the specialized development and manufacturing of proprietary peptides, driven by a top-tier research team. Leveraging the biocompatibility, superior efficacy, and stability of peptides, WELLPEP transforms the limitless potential of peptides into reality. WELLPEP's value. From health to beauty. WELLPEP targets diseases with high unmet medical needs, focusing on identifying and developing innovative peptide-based therapeutics. We are developing antibiotics targeting multi-drug resistant gram-negative bacteria, atopic dermatitis treatment, and Alzheimer's disease treatment using peptide new drug candidates with excellent efficacy and safety. We aim to grow into a global bio company through technology transfer and commercialization. We received new excellent technology certification for our highly efficient peptide synthesis technology using amino acid oligomers. Another competitive edge of WELLPEP is its large-scale production system. Based on its systematic and standardized large-scale production line, WELLPEP has established a seamless system, from synthesis, purification, freeze-drying, to quality control. After establishing its GMP facilities, WELLPEP plans to enter the peptide CDMO business. WELLPEP achieved its large-scale peptide production.
주식회사 웰펩은 글로벌 제약회사의 새로운 개척자로서 독보적인 펩타이드 제조 기술력을 바탕으로 가제내성 그람 음성균을 타겟으로 하는 항생제, 아토피성 피부염 치료제, 중추신경계 질환 등 미충족 수요가 높은 질환에 대한 혁신 신약을 개발하고 있습니다. 또한 우수한 펩타이드 제조 기술을 바탕으로 펩타이드 전용 GMP 시설을 구축한 다음 펩타이드 CMO 사업 진출을 계획하고 있습니다. 앞으로도 세계적인 펩타이드 제조 기술력을 바탕으로 글로벌 바이오 시장을 주도하는 혁신적인 리더가 되도록 노력하겠습니다. 감사합니다.
WELLPEP's great technology changes lives. WELLPEP's vision is global. WELLPEP dreams of becoming a global leader in peptide materials. WELLPEP Company.